Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome recipe of pancakes of veggies. They look amazing and super delicious and healthy. Hope you like this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. First of all, let's grate some potato. Then strain it from the water. After, add some pumpkin. And do the same as the potato. After, grate some onion, but first you can put it into the freezer so it helps the burning. After a few minutes, the water is out and you can add it to the onion and mix it. Then add 1 egg and a bit of salt. And some pepper. Then mix it really well. After, add 2 tablespoons of flour. If it's still liquidy, add some more flour. Then, into a hot pan with a bit of oil, add the pancakes of veggies. Then when it's all done and crispy, you can take them out and soak it in some kitchen paper from the oil. Then you can add some yogurt or anything you would like to eat it with, and it's delicious, and I recommend this recipe to you 100% because it's really easy to make. Thank you for watching this video. If you did like it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.